Hello, and welcome to my Python Locked Ultimate Ironman series. Join me on this journey where I discuss the ideas, hurdles, and solutions encountered while creating a bot for Old School Runescape in Python. Please note, while I'm excited to share my journey and insights into bot development, I will not be providing or showcasing large sections of code. The focus is on the experience and the thought process behind the development. Today we start our journey in Lumbridge, where we need to define our goals and set a reasonable target for ourselves. The first hurdle that we're going to tackle is going to be letting Python actually see the game window and where it is on the screen. To do this, I ended up deciding to use the Windows API to grab window information, and then I created 3 distinct types of screenshots: the play area, the inventory, and the whole screen. Now that we see what's happening on the screen, we need to figure out a way to have the bot click on a target. While we walk over the mine, I'll go over the rules for this series. I'm going to write code to do all the skilling, but for now I'll be manually moving the character and doing any quests that I have to do by hand. A simple solution to programming a click is to have a fixed camera angle, figure out the pixel locations that contain the tin ore, then move the mouse to that location and click. To improve on this basic concept, I implemented a solution by randomly selecting one of the pixels in the box, then have the mouse move over to that location and click every time we would want to mine an ore. But when testing this by generating a visual heat map by simulating 10,000 clicks, we can see it doesn't appear to be very human-like. As you can see, it basically has an even distribution of clicks across the entire window, as we would expect, but intuitively, this doesn't seem like a very human way to click a rock when mining. Neither would you just click on the same pixel 10,000 times. So I decided to try and find a mathematical solution to weight the clicks towards the middle pixel. Then I remembered a little thing called Gaussian distributions. They work by having a higher probability towards the middle and dropping off the further you move away. We can implement this by first finding the highest and lowest XY values, then using that to calculate the middlemost pixel of the area we want to click. Then all we have to do is apply a little math magic by using a Gaussian weighting formula, and after some testing we can end up with a nice click distribution that looks something like this. This looks like a much more realistic simulation of a human trying to click on a tin rock 10,000 times compared to our first attempt on the right, resulting in me feeling comfortable enough to attempt our first click. To test this, we're going to start by hard coding in the bounds for a tin rock given a fixed camera angle. Then, in order to simulate a click, I wrote a short function that waits for a random amount of time within a specific range between pressing and releasing the mouse button in order to have a more realistic result. All that's left is to click run on the program and have the first click of the journey executed. Wow, that was exciting. Subscribe if you want to join me on the next time for when I try to figure out how to determine when the mining action is finished and when to start mining again.